sulat.
Ano lahat?
Nakita ko yun. Wala.
So what's the correct answer? Does every...
Asang application yun?
Aspect.
Aspect. Naku naman.
Huli kami.
Wala kaming score?
Wala.
Ay, ang gulo.
Hawakin lang.
Ay, sorry.
Hey, grow up!
Game na ba? Rain, ikaw na lang forever.
What?
Bitch!
Oh, you three. Ano?
Dali ako, bitch!
Go, go, go! Kailangan mo sa time entry, no ba?
Okay. Today is June 14, Monday. What date is covered for the time entry for today?
Go! Go! Bitch! Go, go, go!
For today.
Monday shift?
Monday ngayon?
Yup, yup.
Monday ngayon.
Basahin mo ulit yung tanong.
Lalagyan pa ba na
Wait lang. Today is June 14, Monday. What date is covered for the time entry for today, which is June 14, Monday?
O, anong cover ngayon? Monday ngayon.
What day or date?
Wala nang in future.
2 points if you have the complete answer.
ngayon, di ba?
Yup, yup, yup.
Monday shift, Monday shift, Monday shift! Ano ba? Ano na?
Ate! Ate! Ano yung cover ngayon? Monday tsaka Tuesday kasi bukas eh.
Ano yung conflict? 2 points with increments and all.
Okay.
Dali, nalilito ako sandali.
Kasi di ba Monday? Yung Monday shift natin.
10,
Tuesday shift, di ba?
9, 4.
Oh my God! When I grow up!
So what's the correct answer?
June 14, 15 ka eh.
June 14, today is June 14.
Monday. Dapat yesterday and today.
Monday shift.
Okay. What code and minute increment do you use when you're an SPEO on Thursday?
Again.
What code and minute increment do you use when you're SPEO on Thursday?
Thursday, Mami.
Ash Thursday lang yan, real time.
Mami, Thursday.
Ayan, nasa na yung kopyahan?
Mami, last day. Go! Go, Mami! Mami!
Go, Ellie! There you go!
Ten, 9, 8.
Hoy, tanong na Thursday, walang Friday, ah. Thursday! Ano? Thursday na Thursday, yun lang.
Pero sa Friday, anong lalagay niyo?
Ay, wala sa tanong yan.
Pero kung ano, if ever, anong lalagay niyo sa Friday?
5.25.
Ano ba to? Point ka ba?
Correct. Tama yan! Isa pa! Tama kami!
Tama kami!
Ay, plus 1! Plus 1!
Hindi ko abot!
Hindi ko abot!
Tapos na?
Game! O, isa pa.
Points ka, matutalo tayo.
Oo, sandali. For 3 points!
For 3 points.
Diyos ka! Ayusin natin, dalawa lang tayo maghahati dyan!
Saglit! Ay ba ako? Alagay ko yung papaiwan.
Puro mga coach. Si Rain lang malaki.
Admin yun dati.
Ay, sige natin. Go R&R!
Game! Puro coach kalaban ko! How do you plot your time entry if you were absent on May 31st and if you were late for 30 minutes on June 1st?
Diyos ko, ano araw yung May 31st? I'm sorry.
Sunday.
If you're absent,
If you're absent,
Minutes.
it's
Sa anong araw na nga?
June 1.
Monday yung late siya. Monday late siya.
Sunday absent.
Sunday absent.
Sunday absent, Monday late, 30 minutes.
Sunday absent, A, nag-A, Monday.
Ay, ingay kasi, no?
Ano ba sa inyo?
Kaya mo na delay.
Go, go bitch! Go bitch!
my God. Ilang oras late? I'm sorry.
30 minutes!
Walang cheat sheet si Karen.
Wala na,
Uy, meron?
Wala na this one.
Talaga? Ano ba? June 1?
Siyempre itong bata dito.
30 minutes, di ba?
Maniter.
Wala na, disqualified si Karen.
Go na.
10, 9,
Tapos na, tapos na.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay.
Tama na, alas.
Sorry, mali.
Ate, baka mali tayo.
Ano na, Ray?
Let's see the score.
Tama na tayo.
Okay, tama na. Tama na.
Tama na tayo.
Ay! Dali lang, nalito ako.
Tama na.
Mali.
Mali si Trey, mali si Trey.
Mali si Trey, mali.